This is a pilot room, yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is the avionics systems of an aircraft.
With this machine only they'll start, huh?
No, this is a flight test aircraft. So when they do the first flight, pilots will be there, and here the aeronautical engineers. We guys will sit here and take all the readings. We'll make sure that everything is there. This is just for explanation. Normally, all passengers will sit. Okay, don't worry. So this is the Concorde aircraft, and this is the business class of one Concorde aircraft. And this is the economy class, and you can see the economy class seats
Don't go that side.
here.
This is aeroplane without seats. You can sleep here. Yes. But there is no bed here. We can't go out, huh? We can't go inside, huh?
No, we can't. This is cabin attendant seat, Daniel. Here only the aerosteward will sit. Yeah. So this is the Concorde. Here we go. So now we'll enter A300B, which is single engine aircraft. So this is the cockpit of A300B. Wow, this is really nice. You can see here is the pilot and cockpit control systems.